Master the IELTS Speaking Part 2. Organizing your thoughts like a pro. Hello, IELTS aspirants. Today, we'll dive deep into one of the crucial aspects of the IELTS Speaking Part 2, organizing your thoughts and ideas. Proper organization can help you present your ideas confidently and coherently. Stick with me to learn some practical strategies. Before we organize our thoughts, it's essential to grasp the task at hand. IELTS Speaking Part 2 involves a long turn. This means you'll speak for 1 to 2 minutes on a particular topic. You'll be given a task card with a topic, along with points you should cover. You also get 1 minute to prepare. Make the most of this minute. Once you receive the task card, skim the card quickly to understand the general topic. This helps in activating your mind about what you already know about the subject. For example, if the card mentions a book you've recently read, your brain will instantly start recalling recent books. Now, let's harness that 1 minute prep time efficiently. 1. Bullet points. Jot down brief points or keywords for each prompt on the card. Don't write full sentences. Save time. 2. Vocabulary. Think of specific vocabulary or idioms that can enrich your speech. For example, for a book topic, words like captivating, riveting plot, or well-developed characters can come in handy. 3. Sequence. Arrange the bullet points in a logical order. Typically, it's good to start with an introduction, then the main content, and wrap up with a conclusion. Here's a simple structure to follow. 1. Introduction. Introduce the topic briefly. I recently read a fascinating book titled XYZ. 2. Main content. Address each point on the card sequentially. Expand on your bullet points, adding details and examples. 3. Conclusion. Sum up your talk. All in all, this book left a lasting impact on me, and I'd highly recommend it. This strategy is only as good as the practice you put behind it. Simulate the situation. Use a timer, pick random topics, and practice speaking. The more you practice, the more natural the organizing process will become. And there you have it. By using these strategies, you'll be well equipped to organize your thoughts efficiently for the IELTS Speaking Part 2. Remember, it's all about clarity and coherence. Good luck, and I hope this video brings you a step closer to your desired IELTS score.